Welcome to Asian Fruit World. Today we will talk about star apple. Star apple is a tropical fruit which originated in Central America. In Vietnam, most people call it milky press, thanks to its milky flesh inside. The star apple was first discovered by Cesar de Leon, a Spanish explorer who saw the fruit growing in Peru in the 1500s. Later, the fruit continued to sell to different parts of the world like Panama, Philippines, and the Caribbean islands. This delicious fruit is just about the size of a regular apple with a shiny, smooth-colored skin. There are two kinds, green and purple star apple. Besides its sweet taste, star apple is loaded with a lot of nutrients, minerals, and vitamins like iron, vitamin B, and fiber. It has amazing health benefits, like enhancing your digestive systems, treating diabetes, and treating anemia or iron deficiency. Nowadays, you can enjoy star apple at any Asian grocery stores, as Vietnam has just been approved to export this Asian fruit into the US. If you like our article, please hit like and share with your friends. Or if you like to follow other fruit facts and benefits, subscribe to our channel and website. Thank you for watching.